Are you using ChatGPT to help with your content? Most creators are. But here's the thing, if you're relying on it too heavily or in the wrong way, it might be ruining your channel without you even realizing it. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools available to creators right now, but only if you use it the right way. In this video, I'll show you the exact mistakes most creators are making with ChatGPT, how it's quietly killing their growth, and what to do instead, so you can save time and still create content that connects, converts, and that scales. Let's get into it. On the surface, ChatGPT feels like magic. You type a topic like best AI tools for content creators, and it gives you a full script. Clean intro, 3 tools. CTA at the end, done. But here's the catch. That same script could have been written for 1,000 other channels. And that's the problem. When everyone uses the same tool the same way, the content becomes flat. Polished? Sure, but forgettable. And that's the one thing you can't afford in today's algorithm. What you end up with is a video that might look fine, but doesn't grab, doesn't hold, and doesn't resonate. That's what's happening to thousands of creators right now. Their videos are structured well, they have the right tools, but their message feels empty. So let's talk about what's really going wrong. The first issue is generic content. ChatGPT is designed to avoid risk. It doesn't know your audience. It doesn't know what makes them laugh, think, or click subscribe. That's your job. And when you hand that job off to a machine, your voice starts disappearing from your own channel. Second, structural sameness. Most AI-generated scripts follow the same format. Friendly intro, numbered list, bland examples, safe CTA. If your audience watches more than one AI-based channel, they'll start recognizing the formula and they're skipping your video without even realizing why. It's like fast food. Convenient, predictable, and flavorless after a while. You might get views, but not trust, not loyalty, and not comments that say, this hit different. Third, the creativity trap. The more you let ChatGPT generate full videos for you, the more your own creative muscles start to weaken. You stop taking risks. You stop trying new ideas. You just prompt, paste, and publish. And eventually, your content becomes indistinguishable from AI-generated filler. And when the audience starts to suspect that a machine wrote your video, even just a little, their connection to you as a creator starts to erode. Because whether they realize it or not, people are showing up for perspective, not just answers. But here's where it gets worse. Most creators don't even know this is happening because it's slow. One video underperforms, you shrug. 2 or 3 feel mid. Maybe it's the algorithm. But by the time you realize what's really happening, that your audience doesn't feel you anymore, it's already affecting your channel's growth, watch time, and engagement. This slow decay is what makes it dangerous because ChatGPT doesn't crash your channel overnight. It just softens it, rounds off the edges, and little by little makes your content less you. But here's the good news. This is fixable. You just have to flip the way you think about ChatGPT. It's not your ghostwriter, it's your creative assistant. And if you treat it that way, it becomes a superpower. So how do you fix it? First, change your prompts. Instead of saying, write a script about 3 AI tools, say, help me build a story-based YouTube video where a solo creator uses these 3 AI tools to grow from 0 to 10,000 subscribers. Add emotional beats, tension, and a surprise twist at the end. That one change forces the AI to break the pattern and work with you, not for you. Next, feed it context. Most creators forget this, but ChatGPT becomes smarter the more you train it. Paste 3 of your old scripts and say, this is my tone, I'm casual, bold, and talk to creators who are smart but overwhelmed. Use this voice going forward. Then build from there. One of the best hidden uses for ChatGPT is role-based prompting. Try this. Act as a YouTube retention expert. Analyze this script and show me where the drop-off point is. Suggest 3 rewrites to keep viewers watching longer. Or act as a viral shorts editor. Here's my long-form clip. What are the top 15 seconds I should keep? And how should I hook it? These roles unlock totally different insights that most creators never even ask for. Another example, you can tell ChatGPT, act as a frustrated beginner creator who doesn't know what tools to use. What part of this video would confuse you or feel too advanced? That perspective helps you simplify your messaging and keep your content accessible without dumbing it down. And don't sleep on using ChatGPT visually. With GPT 4.0, you can upload your actual thumbnails or script docs and say, is this visual too busy? Would this title stand out on mobile? Is this intro strong enough to hold attention past the 20-second mark? You can also feed it retention graphs from YouTube Analytics and say, here's where people drop off. Based on this script and the video's pacing, why do you think that's happening? What can I change in the hook or first 90 seconds? It's not just about writing, it's about auditing, analyzing, and improving at a scale. Another trick most people never use, reverse prompting. You can feed ChatGPT a viral video transcript and ask, what made this go viral? Break down their structure, pacing, emotion, and CTA style. Then help me rebuild something similar for my niche. Now, you're not just copying formats, you're understanding why they work and adapting them to your brand. This lets you reverse engineer virality while still creating content that's original and tailored to your tone. If you're more advanced, start building a prompt library. Save prompts like, write a cold open that triggers curiosity and emotion. Turn this listicle into a narrative-driven script with a first-person voice. Find and rewrite every sentence in this script that sounds robotic or generic. You can build an entire creative pipeline using just prompt variations, and this becomes even more powerful when you combine it with other tools. Notion AI to organize scripts and topics. 11 Labs to narrate the final version. Runway ML to create visuals without shooting. Opus Clip to generate shorts instantly. And tools like repurpose.io to syndicate your content across every platform automatically. You still control the message, but you've automated the friction. This is what pro creators are doing in 2025, not avoiding AI, not letting it run wild, but collaborating with it to create high-quality content at scale while keeping the human edge. This is how you stay consistent without sounding like a copy of a copy. So here's the bottom line. ChatGPT isn't ruining your channel, but how you're using it might be. If it's replacing your voice, your energy, your point of view, then yes, it's slowly making your content forgettable. But if you use it to amplify your creativity, clean up your structure, and make your message stronger, then it becomes your secret weapon. It's not about asking a ChatGPT to think for you. It's about asking better questions so you can think bigger, faster, and with more clarity. So if this video helped you rethink how you're using AI, drop a like. Let me know in the comments, what's the biggest mistake you've seen creators make with ChatGPT? New videos every week showing you how to build smarter, create faster, and grow without burning out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.